Who are we drawing?
Mater!
Mater. That's right, we're going to draw Mater. We got marker and some colors here. And we're going to draw Mater, and we hope you draw along. All right, this time we got our paper going side to side. We're going to start over in the left corner, and we're going to draw kind of a curved line like this to go across. Nice. You can make yours even maybe a little bigger. Go like to there. Nice. All right. And then we're going to go down off of that on both sides. Yep, down on both sides there. Nice. And then curve right back to the other side to touch. Perfect. All right. Over here on the bottom, we're going to do a U that goes down and comes back and touches there. And then off of that, right at the bottom, it's going to be like a letter C kind of come back up. Nice job.
I love
All right. You love C's. Right above here in the middle, we're going to curve a line up like this. That's really big. That's very big. Okay. And that's going to curve in. You don't want to make it too big because you want to put the top on them, remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. And then let's do a oval right in here. Oval.
Over.
Yeah, you can make that bigger. Like you've got a lot of space there. Okay. And then we're going to curve over top of that oval. Back down a little bit. Yep. And then from there, we're going to curve over the other side and stop. Curve, 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 stop. And we're going to do a big bump there as well. Good. And then we're going to put an oval in that one. Right underneath there. Yep. Okay. And you're going to want to take this and bring this out a little bigger, like to there. Nope. The top one to the top, bottom to the bottom. Straight across. There you go. And then do the bottom one across. There you go. All right. Now on this side over here, we're going to do another big bump line, kind of like the top, and that's going to come down, and we're going to actually make that into an oval for his other tire there. Right? And inside that tire, we're going to do an oval. We're practicing our ovals. And then off of the bottom of that, we're going to curve back and go up like that.
I love ovals.
Ovals are fun. All right. Now let's go to the top of our Mater. We got here. This is going to come all the way. Actually, right there. Stop. Yep. We're going to go down and then to the other side. Kind of like a long L. Yeah, all the way over. Yep. And then we're going to draw the top of that all the way over to that other side. And that's going to be for the engine block. And then we're going to put a little dash underneath, like that. Yep. Right here. There you go. And then we'll go up to his face. Right up here. Right there. We're going to do a curved line that goes over. And keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Stop. And then curve back around. Nope, not too far. And then down just behind our tire. Nice. All right. And then from there, we're going to do a line that goes back towards the back of our truck. Because this is Mater. He's got a front and a back. And then curves up. And a down and around like another oval there. All right, you got a short Mater. That's okay, because then he's going to have room for his tow cable. All right, let's do a oval in the middle. One of your faves. And then another oval in the middle of that. And that one's really hugging the left side. Yep. All right, on the bottom now, we're going to go in and then curve up.
In.
And then, yep, curve up.
There's
and
actually
then,
a L.
well, if you curve it, it's a little more, or not like an L. go over and then curve it up. He's actually got 2 tires in the back. Nice. All right, now right here off this spot, we're going to go straight up, and then we're going to stop just about the same spot as here, all the way up to about that line. So right there. Good. All right, and then we're going to take our marker, start right at this spot where these touch.
Yeah.
Go all the way back to the back of our truck and curve down and stop right along that line. Good, right there. Yep. Go straight over. Touch it right into your tire. And I'm actually going to do another one underneath, another line that comes up out like that. Right at the bottom. Up. And back to the... Beautiful! There's the back of Mater. He's got a big front. All right, let's go up here. We're going to curve. So we're going to start like right there. And now you have got your point all the way up here. So you're going to curve all the way up and touch that one. And I'm going to curve all the way up and go to the front and touch somewhere on this curved line. Perfect. Now back where our door is, you've got to do another curved line, just like this one. Like that. Right where the door is. Yep, so right off of this point. See how I went off of that point? Yeah.
Can I make me?
Sure. All right, now here at the top of that point, we're going to go up and over and back down. What's that shape? It's long on 2 sides. Yeah, that's perfect.
A square.
No, square's the same.
Hexagon.
Rectangle, perfect. All right, this is going to go, oh, let's go over here. Now to this point, we're going to go straight up.
Straight up.
And then we're going to go over and touch where we just made our lines. That's going to be where his window is. You're going to have just a little window. All right, we're going to go and make another line right next to that one. That goes up and then stops at the top. Okay, and then we're going to go over here and we're going to go right off of this point. Now look at, see how high this one is? That one's going to be just as high.
That high.
That's exactly it. And then do a line straight across.
You know that.
You knew it? You knew it already. That's where his eyes are going to be. Yeah, yours is looking really good. Okay, now let's do the top of him. Right over here, we're going to do a bump up.
Bump up.
Uh-huh. And back here, we're going to do a bump up. And then we're going to connect those 2 bumps together. And that's the top of his truck. Are those your truck noises? Those are good. Those are good truck noises. Okay, right here in the middle. Do a line down, right in the middle of your window. Yep. And then bring that off to the side. It helps if you hold your paper sometimes. And then from the middle, we're going to go off to the other side.
Middle.
Mm-hmm. Right up there. And that's going to split his eyes up. So one eye's on one side, one eye's on the other side. Yours looks kind of a grumpy mater.
Why?
All right, let's put a circle in there. On one side, and then a circle on the other side. And we'll color those in for his eyes. Yep. Nice job. All right, let's put his windows in. So in here, in this area, yours is going to have to be a little smaller on this side. But we're going to make a small rectangle right in there. A rectangle short on 2 sides and long on 2 sides. And then it's going to go up and back towards the front. So you're going to go up and over and then down and over.
And down and over?
Yep, down off the bottom and then right back over. Good! Now we're going to do this on the other side. We're going to draw a rectangle. You're really good at your rectangles. And then we're going to go up and back in. And we're going to go down. And I can't even go down and back in. I just went down and in. But you did down and in. Nice. All right. Let's put his tow cable on the back. Okay? So here's what we got to do. I don't know. Yeah. You're going to go from there, diagonal over. Yep. And then you're going to need 2 of those lines if you can fit them. Can you fit them? Perfect. Now right off the middle of this, we're going to do a diagonal line the other way. Go way out. Yeah, that's good. And then 2 of those right next to each other. Those are called perpendicular. That's a silly word, isn't it? Perpendicular. All right, let's put a circle at the end of that. With a little circle in the middle. Doink. All right, now off of this, back to the point we just started. It's going to be a diagonal line up, and then back towards that circle. Like a kite. Now you're probably going to want to do yours on the inside here, okay? So you're going to want to go up and back in. But you're going to need another perpendicular line that does that. Yep, and you want them to be the same distance all the way down. So now we're going to do one on the bottom. Out, and then back up. All right, let's do our curve. It's like an S line off the back. And we'll put a circle at the end of that. What's this for? His hook. And then we're going to do a backwards letter J. And then another backwards letter J. What's he missing?
Mouth.
His mouth. Let's go back to the beginning. You got a lot of space for his mouth. Let's do a curved line right underneath both of those front ovals. Yep, and they curve in on both sides. All right, now to connect them, look, start in the middle, go down, down, and then right back up the other side. Yeah, because he's got a silly mouth, doesn't he? I'd bring that down like that.
Grumpy Mater.
Grumpy Mater. He does kind of look grumpy because his eyebrows are so low. Let's do a big L on the side over there, on the left side. That's good. Yep, so right about this spot, do a big L in there. And then back up, because that's going to be one of his teeth. And then this one's a little crooked. It goes down, kind of like an L there. And then back up. Those are his teeth. And then off of his tooth, so probably right here, off of this tooth, we're going to curve down, go across like that, down, over, and then back up to the corner of that mouth. Right up to this corner, right here. Yeah. Now inside there, we're going to make a little curved line for a tongue, like a rainbow line. Yep, and then we can color the mouth in nice and black. We're going to color this part in on our tire down here. Yep, a bigger circle there. And then on the other tire, we're going to color in the smaller part, black. Yep, make sure you do a nice job coloring. Color right in the lines. Okay, and then in the back here, we're going to color these in. All black back here.
These?
Yep, the bigger part. Make sure you do a really nice job, don't scribble. Okay, perfect. All right, are we ready to color?
Yes.
Let's put our markers away.
Yay.
And we'll grab our colors. We're going to use a brown for Mater, and it's not the exact brown as he is, but that's okay, right? Because we're having fun. So let's go ahead and color. Are you ready?
Yes.
Go. Okay, are you ready to sign them?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm picking my marker.
That's a good marker. Just one, they're all the same. Ready? Where do we sign? Down in the bottom right?
Mine, Dad, I do it up and do this.
Okay. All right, there it is, boys and girls. We hope that you had fun. We'd love for you to share yours with us.